Thanks for watching Rat TV. I'm Melissa, your 2011 Rat Rock Girl, with your Rat Rock News live at Pure Village. Alright, who out there loves rock bands? Well, you could win your very own Ozzy Osbourne's Rock Band 3 song downloads. So to celebrate the 30th anniversary for the re-release of Ozzy Osbourne's Metal Classics, they're giving away a brand new Ozzy download pack, available for Rock Band 3. Check it out at ozzy.com. Aerosmith is back in the studio for a long-delayed album. Now that Steven Tyler has finished his first season of American Idol, he's returning to his day job with Aerosmith. They plan to reunite next month to kickstart work on their long-delayed album. Kid Rock added a second hometown concert at Detroit's Baseball Park this summer. He announced plans for the August 12th and 13th shows at Comerica Park with opening act Sammy Hagar and the Wabos. Tickets went on sale just a few days ago, so hurry up and get your tickets. That was your Rat Rock News. I'm Melissa, and I'm going to check out some dolphins.